Hey guys! So you've probably seen all those headlines screaming, AI will steal your job by 2030 or ChatGPT is coming for you. And honestly, it's kind of scary, right? But is AI really going to replace humans? Or is there more to this automation story? Let's break it down. First off, yes, AI is getting crazy smart. From answering questions in ChatGPT to those robots packing stuff in warehouses, AI is everywhere. And yeah, some jobs like data entry, basic customer support, maybe even some coding, they're changing fast. By 2030, a lot of these repetitive, rule-based jobs could be mostly automated. But here's the twist. Just because AI can do something doesn't mean it takes over everything. Think about it. When ATMs came out, did bank tellers disappear? Nope, their jobs just changed. They started helping with loans, solving real problems, and talking to customers. It's the same with AI. The boring parts get automated, but humans still do the cool, creative, and people-focused stuff. Now some jobs will totally transform, like teachers using AI to make custom lessons, or doctors using AI to catch diseases early. Even artists are using AI to push their creativity. So, it's not just AI versus humans, it's AI plus humans. We team up with the tech, and that's where the real magic happens. But yeah, it's not all smooth sailing. Some jobs will go away. And learning new skills, that's going to be super important. Coding, critical thinking, creativity, those are the things AI isn't so good at yet. If you want to future-proof your career, start working on those. A lot of experts say the future will have jobs we can't even imagine today. Like, who thought app developer was a thing before smartphones? Or drone pilot? By 2030, there'll be new opportunities, if you're ready to grab them. So here's my truth. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to help you do more, be more, and create new things. If you're curious, creative, and willing to learn, you're going to do great. Let's stop worrying about robots taking over and start thinking how we can work side by side. The future? It's not humans versus AI. It's humans with AI. Alright, that's all for today. Smash that like button if you learned something new. And let me know in the comments what job you think AI could never replace. Catch you in the next one.